Welcome back, gardeners! Today we're focusing on the best watering practices for cherry tomatoes. Consistent watering is key to keeping your plants healthy, especially during fruiting. Let's dive into how to water your tomatoes for the best results. Cherry tomatoes need consistent moisture to thrive. Irregular watering, either too much or too little, can stress the plant and affect fruit development. Water deeply at the base of the plant to encourage strong root growth and avoid watering the leaves, which can lead to diseases. Consistent watering is especially important during fruiting. Sudden fluctuations in water can cause the fruit to crack. To prevent this, keep the soil evenly moist, especially when your plants are setting and ripening fruit. Mulching can help retain moisture and protect the roots from drying out. By maintaining consistent watering, you'll help your cherry tomatoes grow strong and produce plenty of delicious fruit. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy growing!